In the 1950s, a researcher in Stanford called Walter Mischel did an experiment to study the self-control of 4-year-old toddlers. His experiment was ingenious. He would leave the child in a room by itself with a sweet in front. Having told the child, if you like, you can enjoy this sweet. But if you hold on for 20 minutes, I will come back, take this away, and give you two sweets instead. For some of them, it was a no brainer. There is a sweet, it is the source of pleasure. There is nothing to think about it. Some children held on for 2 minutes but then succumbed and ate it. Some children held on for 7 to 8 minutes and some children continued holding on for the full 20 minutes and were rewarded with two sweets. Many years later, the study was continued to find out how the children had been performing in life. Some very interesting facts came out. It was discovered that the children with maximum self-control, they were excelling in studies as well. They had better physique. They were not plump. They were better at interpersonal relationships because they could control their emotions and their moods. They were having a less disrupted marriages or lost jobs and practically no criminal conviction. On the other hand, the children who were at the lowest end of the spectrum without self-control had been getting into all kinds of problems. They were dropping out of their college. They were losing jobs. They were having broken marriages and many of them had repeatedly visited the prison as well. This led to the interesting observation that one important factor that correlates to success in every field of human endeavor is self-control, discipline based on the virtue of willpower. Thank you.